apply in court. You are bringing me a procedure which is foreign to me, and I'm refusing to take it.
If I say, Your Lordship, there is oversight on the part of the court. This court is a human being. It's not infallible. I never said I want to bring application. I said I want to object to the postponement and I want to make submission, not application.
But I didn't recognize you to speak now. I didn't recognize you to speak now. You don't just shoot up and speak. The court will give you an opportunity, and it will surely give you an opportunity. Each time you want to speak, and it's your time, you will speak. Not to interject before Advocate Baloyi says what he needs to tell me. And I told you are confusing me. I have to jump back to Teffo, jump back to Teffo, jump back to Teffo. That's not how it works. That's not how the procedure works.
Your Lordship, is it allowed when, as myself, as the counsel of 1 to 4, if I believe that I've been misinterpreted by the court, am I not allowed to correct the court?
You are allowed to correct the court when your time comes.
There is sometimes
not when you feel it's your time. No. When we go according to the procedures followed in courts of law, where we give people the opportunity to speak.